Good morning, Brianne.
Good morning, Amanda. Yes, this first day of November, we'll see much warmer than average temperatures as we continue to have that warm front sticking around for the majority of today, though we do see some rain coming into the region, and that's pretty much going to impact across the board for the Maritimes for today. We'll see those showers coming into parts of Nova Scotia and Prince Edward Island a little bit later this morning into the early afternoon. But for highs, we're looking at 21 in Fredericton, 19 in Halifax, and 18 your high in Charlottetown. Of year, we're actually seeing numbers that are significantly higher than usual daytime highs, already at 713 this morning. Of course, that is because we are still having a warm front hanging around the region. As we take a look here at our satellite, we are continuing to see some scattered showers coming into the region, so we'll watch that throughout the day. Most of the Maritimes will be impacted by those scattered showers. As we take a look here, we're already at 16 degrees in Fredericton, 14 over in Moncton. Usual daytime highs around 8 degrees. So we are seeing significant warm up as we head throughout our day today. Of course, there is some fog, especially along the coastlines. So that's going to start to dissipate throughout the course of this morning. Watching our forecasted timeline for today, we are seeing that significant rainfall coming through most of the Maritimes. We're going to continue to see it in the early afternoon, late morning for Prince Edward Island and into parts of Nova Scotia. Then we're starting to see that continue throughout the evening. So we'll still see those scattered showers hanging out throughout the course of tonight into the early hours of Saturday morning. And as we continue throughout our morning on Saturday, could see some of those hanging around for Nova Scotia as well as Newfoundland. Watching our rain outlook for today, we're seeing the majority of that rainfall up in northern parts of New Brunswick, especially on that eastern portion of the province as well, into Newfoundland. So that's where we're going to see the majority of that rain hanging around for the next 24 hours. Watching our wind gusts, they start to taper down throughout the course of today. So they start out gusting pretty strong, but then as we head throughout the day and that low pressure system works itself out of our region, we start to see them taper down a little bit. Up in Labrador, we're going to continue to see gusting winds as a bit of a flurry mix comes through. Watching our sustained winds, not a whole lot this morning, but as we head throughout the day, we'll see those start to pick up and then they taper off as we head into the afternoon. Watching our daytime highs, a little bit cooler in Edmundston, but still well above seasonal. So we're looking at some highs of 21 throughout New Brunswick, 18 across Prince Edward Island, seeing those showers come in later this morning into the early afternoon. Same thing can be said about Cape Breton, and as we head into mainland Nova Scotia, we're looking at 19 and those afternoon showers into the evening. Of course, we're going to see a few flurries in Labrador City, but mostly sunny conditions over on the eastern portion of Labrador, and some scattered showers, but a mix of sun and cloud for western Newfoundland.